Christ rising from the dead. Jesus, the Son of God, heroically gave his life to die for our sins. On the third day after he died, the day we now celebrate as Easter Sunday, his friends went to his grave and found that he had risen from the dead. They saw an angel who told them, "Don't be afraid. I know you are looking for Jesus, who was crucified. He isn't here. He has been raised from the dead, just as he said it would happen." Let us all join together and celebrate his resurrection by singing the common Malayalam song, Ene Shirajan, which is all familiar to you.